Dear children, this is Skills of Communicative English, School's Goodbye, Part 3, Note Making. As you know that note making is equally very important from the examination point of view. Now, you have to read the paragraph 1 and answer these questions. Who are we and who are you in this para? Question number 2, what is the most important advice given to the students in this para? Clue is given, you have to continue your education. Then you have to read paragraph 2 silently and answer the questions. What's the most important advice given in this para? First line, that is choosing a profession. Then question number 2, what kind of profession one should choose? The important words in a para for this are, that is interesting, happy, liking. One should choose a job one likes, enjoys, and which is interesting. Then para number 3. What's the theme of this para? That is first sentence, last word. Luis, you have to write that. Then paragraph number 4. You have to read that. Question number 1. What care should be required for the choice of a profession? Number 2, what should you do if you are forced to take up a job you do not like? Number 3, who should you seek advice from if you are not able to decide on the right profession? Then paragraph number 5, what should you do and what you should not do to be healthy? So make a note from the para to answer this question. For good health, what you should do: keep your body fit, get fresh air, have regular habits. In case of not do, in this tree diagram, we should avoid, that is smoking and drinking. And in case of do, as I told you, you have to keep your body fit, get fresh air, have regular habits and suitable recreations. Then paragraph number 6. What is the most important word in this paragraph? So for that you have to read the first sentence. The word begins with CH. That means character. What should one do to have a good character? So again, here is a tree diagram. For good character, you should be truthful, then kind, fair, honest, courageous, or brave. And you should avoid gambling. That's actually in this tree diagram. Para number 6. Then coming to para number 7. What should you do for hard times? Hard times, as you know, means difficult times. You can have saving in post office or banks or insurance sector. So that will help you to meet the crisis, the challenges during hard times. So that's actually para number 7. Then we have para number 8. What's the most important word which tells the theme in this para? Leisure hours. There's the answer, that is leisure hours. Then how should spend one's leisure hours? First one is, in this tree diagram, have good hobbies, read good books, and have good friends. As you know, that is in para number 8. Then coming to para number 9. How can an individual prove himself an asset to the nation? That's to be answer. Does this para have a theme of its own or a conclusion putting together themes of previous para? That you have to make note form. I mean, a good citizen should have or should do. That's the answer. So you have to read the paragraph carefully and complete this tree diagram. Then post reading, VMDT, that is Visual Memory Development Technique, you have to take a photograph of the lesson, you have to choose your eyes and then answer how many paras are there in this topic. Which para is about character? Which para is about health? Number 2, make notes for the lesson in your notebook. So school's goodbye, you know there are 9 paragraphs in this tree diagram. Para 1 is it's on your welfare. Para 2, continue education. Para 3, continue learning. Para 4, that is while selecting your job, that should be interesting. Para number 5, you should take care of your good health. And then rest you have to do, you have to fill out. Para 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then here we have another slide. See the example and write accordingly. Headmaster said you choose good jobs. Father said keep your body fit. The English teacher said read good books. And then some gaps are there. So you have to fill off these blanks and complete this task. The English teacher asks us to have good character. To have good character, we should be dash and dash. Likewise, para 7, para 8, based on this activity is given. Write a letter to your friend about school farewell day. Use what you have done so far to write this letter. Some helps are given. You have to write a letter to your friend and then you have to complete this letter. So props are there, format is there, phrases are already written. You have to fill up the gaps and complete the letter. Okay, thank you.